Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads.
And is the window she mentioned on this side?
It is on this side, so we'll walk past that window.
Good day guys! How are you today? I hope everything is fine. Today we are going to show you the village of Lacock,
between the two larger ones.
or they call it also Lacock,
That was the first ever photo taken.
in Wiltshire, England.
Yeah.
So 1217, it was started. They built it from this side. Has had some additional work.
Lacock or Lacock
16.
is a village and civil parish
If,
in the county of Wiltshire, England,
but
about 5 kilometers south of the town of Chippenham
really fine example.
and about 6 kilometers outside
So we're just going to park in here. Then we're going to walk up that traffic-free road.
Cotswold area. The village is owned almost in its entirety by the National Trust and attracts many visitors by virtue of its unspoiled appearance. The parish includes Bowden Hill, a small village 1.6 kilometers to the east of Lacock, and the hamlets of Bewley Common, Norton, and Raybridge. The Chippenham Merksham section of the A350 primary route crosses the parish from north to south, as does the River Avon. A scarecrow festival is held annually in Lacock or Lacock and is popular with visitors from the local area. All funds raised are donated to Lacock Primary School. Lacock is mentioned in the Domesday Book with a population of 160 to 190 with 2 mills and a vineyard. Lacock Abbey was founded on the monorail lands by Ella, Countess of Salisbury, and established in 1232, and the village with the manor formed its endowment to God and Saint Mary. Lacock was granted a market and developed a thriving woolen industry during the Middle Ages. Raybridge and a park horse ford remained the only crossing points of the River Avon until the 18th century. At the dissolution, the abbey and estate, including the village, were sold to William Sharrington, later passing into the Talbot family by marriage. The Lacock estate was home to photography pioneer Henry Fox Talbot from 1800 to 1877. In 1916, Henry Fox Talbot's son Charles bequeathed the Lacock estate to his niece, Matilda Gilchrist Clark, who took the name of Talbot. The estate, comprising of 1.15 square kilometers, the abbey and the village, was given to the National Trust in 1944 by Matilda Talbot. Lacock has 3 public houses and a number of shops in its high street, including a grocery store, a bakery, gift shops, and a National Trust shop. Most of the surviving houses in the village are 18th century or earlier in construction. Lacock Abbey, the 14th century St. Cyriac's Church, and a 14th century Tit Barn are Grade 1 listed. Elsewhere in the parish, the county houses at Bewley Court and Bowden Park are also Grade 1 listed. There are 4 Grade 2 listed structures: the Sign of the Angel, a village cross medieval re-erected outside the school in the late 19th century, a pair of bridges carrying a Bowden Hill road over the Avon, and a 16th century conduit house, part of the abbey's water supply, opposite Bowden Hill Church. Next to the tit barn is a small lock-up from the late 18th century. Ray Mill House, north of the village on the left bank of Avon, beyond Ray Bridge, is a county house built in Italianate style around 1860. Since 1996, it has been residence of Camilla Parker Bowles, later Queen Camilla. Farther north, and also overlooking the Avon, Lockham House was built between 1791 and 1796 for James Montagu, a naval officer. It is a 3-story county house in Palladian style. A school was provided on a central site in Lacock village by Henry Fox Talbot in 1824, with accommodation for 100 pupils. Another classroom was added in 1852, and around this time, it became a national school. By 1858, there were about 120 pupils. The school was rebuilt on the same site in 1859, again at the expense of the Talbot family, for 220 pupils and 80 infants. Numbers declined in the 20th century. 135 attended in 1955 when the school gained voluntary controlled status. Children of all ages were educated until the early 1960s, when older pupils were transferred to Chippenham. Since 1946, there has been an agricultural college at the Lockham estate in the north of the parish towards Chippenham. With its 400-acre or 160 hectares farm, it is now part of the Wiltshire College. The village has been used as a film and television location, notably for the 1995 BBC production of Pride and Prejudice and the 2007 BBC production of Cranford. It has also made brief appearance in the Harry Potter films, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, and in the spin-off film Fantastic Beasts, The Crimes of Grindelwald. In the spring of 2012, it was a filming location for the fantasy adventure film Maria Mundi and Midas Box. In 2015, Lacock was used for an episode of the Downton Abbey TV series. portraying a livestock market in the 1920s. Lord Grantham, his family, and some of the staff appeared in this location. Not long after, the village was featured in 2 episodes of the Wolf Hall series, based on a novels by Hilary Mantel. Scenes for the 2017 film Beauty and the Beast were shot here. And in the late 2018, scenes from the film version of Downtown Abbey included a royal parade. The film was released in September 2019. So this is the Abbey, guys. The Lacock Abbey.
I couldn't afford
So this is one of the site where a scene of Harry Potter was filmed. So these are some of the old houses that are still preserved well here in Lacock in Wiltshire, England. So a lot of buildings here, guys, were used in some filming scenes in many movies or television series. So look at these old houses, guys. So nice. It's a combination of concrete, stones, and wood. Here you can see some stone tiles used in the roof. These houses were built many centuries ago, but they are well maintained, and a lot of tourists are coming here to visit. Take a look at this house, guys. This is these columns and beams are made of wood. Look at these memorabilias from the Harry Potter movie. You can buy here Hogwarts wands and other jewelries that were used in Harry Potter movie. Jewelries and or accessories. So many old houses, guys.
Tuwari si JP.
Most of these houses are preserved for tourism purposes. And it is now managed and owned by the National Trust. And a lot of these areas possess a historical backgrounds. You see this building, guys?
George is the old. Obviously the grand.
It possesses a lot of history
Probably of that age.
where we were told that some royal dignitaries were coming here many years ago.
Ano daw yan, nak? Anuhan ng kabayo?
If you happen to visit England, then you can put this in your list. And visit the old village of Lacock or Lacock.
Umalis ka dyan sa karsada. Baka pag lumiko madali ka. Lacock.
Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.